नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तमलकं च शिष्यं तन्तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। भगवद्गीता चैप्टर 3 श्लोक 20। कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि। Bhagavan is citing the example of Janaka etc., who performed karma to inspire Arjuna to perform karma. There are two possibilities. Janaka and others, they were jnanis. If they were jnanis, even then they performed karma for the sake of lokasangraha. And another possibility was also given. Supposing that they were ajnanis, then the shloka should be, the first line of the shloka should be understood as karmana sadhana bhutena. Through karma, in due course of time, they attained some siddhi, moksha. Now, to introduce second line of the shloka, to introduce the uttarardha of the shloka, Bhashyakara imagines a question from Arjuna. Arjuna might say, Janaka and others, they were ajnanis. Therefore, they did karma. Let us take the second interpretation only. Arjuna might take only the second interpretation. Generally, we take what we like from the Shastra. So, Janaka and others, they were ajnanis, therefore they performed karma. I am a jnani. Arjuna might say, I am a jnani. Already you have given me jnana in chapter 2. Chapter 2 is already completed. So, I am a jnani. Therefore, I don't have to perform karma. So, I will not do this karma. Arjuna may say so. And then Krishna tells, Lokasangrahamevapi sampashyan kartumarhasi. Even if you think you are a jnani, you can do karma for lokasangraha. सी अथ मन्यसे पूर्वैरपि जनकादिभिः अजानद्भिरेव कर्तव्यं कृतं कर्म. In some readings it may be karma kritam. Karma kritam is a better reading. Karma kritam tavata na avasyam anyena kartavyam samyak darshanavata kritarthena iti tathapi प्रारब्ध कर्मायत्तस्त्वं लोकसंग्रहमेवापि लोकस्य उन्मार्गप्रवृत्तिनिवारणं लोकसंग्रहः तमेवापि प्रयोजनं संपश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि. अथ मन्यसे, अथ if manyase, you think. What do you think? Purvairapi janakadibhihi, even Janaka etc. in the past. Ajanadbhireva kartavyam karma kritam, they performed kartavyam karma, they performed their obligatory karmas. Ajanadbhihi, being ajnanis. Tavata, because therefore, na avasyam anyena kartavyam samyak darshanavata kritarthena. Anyena, by another person. Arjuna intends himself. Anyena, by another person like me. Samyak darshanavata, I have samyak darshana. Second chapter samyak darshana. Kritarthena, therefore I am kritartha. Therefore, avasyam karmana kartavyam. I don't have to do karma mandatorily. Avasyam, for me karma is not compulsory. Those who are ajnanis, let them attend the puja and meditation, etc. I am ajnani. Why I should go for that? Kritarthena, I am a kritartha. Iti manyase, if you think so. Tathapi, in spite of that, in spite of being a jnani, if you are a jnani, also prarabdha karmayatastvam, you are prarabdha karmayattaha. Even a jnani is under the control of his prarabdha karma. Even a jnani is not free from prarabdha karma. And the prarabdha has put him in a given position in life. He may be an important person in the family or an important person in the society, a role model for many in the society. Like in the case of Arjuna, it is Arjuna's prarabdha that made him an important person in the society. So, prarabdha karmayatastvam, since you are under the influence of your prarabdha karma, Your life is governed by the prarabdha karma. What situation you will be, where you will be, etc. is governed by the prarabdha karma. Therefore, the prarabdha has kept you in an important position in the society, as well as an important position in your family. Therefore, you are a role model for many people. If you give up karma, the others will also do the same. Therefore, you have the responsibility of lokasangraha. Lokasangrahamevapi. Lokasangraha. Bhashyakara defines lokasangraha. Lokasya unmarga pravritti nivaranam lokasangraha. Preventing the people from taking to wrong path. Lokasya means janasya, the other people, the ordinary people. Unmarga pravritti nivaranam. Unmarga pravritti, taking to wrong path, taking to the path of adharma. Nivaranam, preventing. It is called lokasangraha. Tamevapi prayojanam sampashyan, seeing that as a purpose, considering that as a purpose. Sampashyan, considering lokasangraha as a purpose. Kartumarhasi, you are expected to do karma. You should do karma. Now sambandha for the next shloka. Lokasangraha kimartham kartavyaha iti uchyate. Lokasangraha kimartham kartavyaha. Is it the reading or you have? Lokasangraham kaha kartum arhati. Right? Lokasangraham kaha kartum arhati. Kathancha iti uchyate. There are two versions. One reading is Lokasangraha kimartham kartavyaha iti uchyate. Another is Lokasangraham kaha kartumarhati kathancha iti uchyate. Lokasangraham kaha kartumarhati. Who should do Lokasangraha? And katham, how? Uchyate, it is being said in the following shloka. And another sambandha is Lokasangraha kimartham kartavyaha iti. Why one should do Lokasangraha? Uchyate, it is being said. Both sambandhas are okay. Yadyadacharati shresthaha tattadevetaro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokastadanu vartate. Shresthaha yadyadacharati. Yadyat, everything, every action that a Shrestha, Shrestha means a great man, an important person, an adorable personality. Yadyat acharati, all that he does. Tattadeva itaro janaha, the other people. Itaro janaha is singular, so we have to understand it as jatau ekavachanam. It is collective plural, collective singular. The other people, like in English, people is always singular. Other people also follow the same. Tattadeva, the same thing, what he does, the other people will also do. That is why there is advertisement. So, if a cricket player drinks Horlicks, other people will also drink Horlicks. If a cricket player uses a soap, the other people will also use the same soap. Nowadays, cricket players are the great men, Shresthaha. Or film stars are Shresthaha. They are the role models of the society. One person started having a particular hair, beard. Everybody became his replica. It is called Sarupya. One of the four muktis is Sarupya. The same beard style, So, yadyadacharati shresthaha tattadeva itaro janaha. Sayat pramanam kurute. Saha shresthaha yat pramanam kurute means pramanatvena svikaroti. What he accepts as pramana, as a valid means of knowledge, tattadeva lokas tadanu vartate. The people will follow that. Lokaha tad anuvartate. The other people will also follow that. If he accepts Shastra as pramana, then the other people will also accept the same Shastra as pramana. That is why we see the philosophy that a particular hero, great man subscribes, the other will also follow the same philosophy. People in general are followers. They look at a role model. They look at a towering personality, what he does. Then they get inspired and they start doing the same. So some people I asked, why did you come here for the course? At least 2 people told me, Modi ji came here, so I came here. I am not joking. So, yadyadacharati shresthaha tattadevetaro janaha. Yadyat karma acharati करोति श्रेष्ठः प्रधानः तत्तदेव कर्म आचरति इतरः जनः तदनुगतः यद्यत् कर्म आचरति यद्यत् कर्म यद् यत् कर्म all the karma karoti acharati is equal to karoti shresthaha is pradhanaha an important person a significant personality who is called an influencer. Nowadays we have influencers, social media influencers. So he is an influencer. Pradhanaha tattadeva karma acharati itaraha janaha. The other people also do the same. Itaraha janaha tadanugataha, who is his follower. Kincha सह श्रेष्ठः यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लौकिकं वैदिकं वा लोकः तत् अनुवर्तते. किंच मोरोवर सह श्रेष्ठः that श्रेष्ठ यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते यत शास्त्रादि शास्त्र etc प्रमाणम कुरुते he accepts as प्रमाण प्रमाणत्वेन स्वीकरोति इत्यर्थः. प्रमाणम कुरुते means प्रमाणत्वेन स्वीकरोति. What he accepts as pramana. Most often we don't find people capable of finding what is true means of knowledge. What is the valid means of knowledge? Ordinary people cannot understand. They look at the Shrestha, a great man in the society. He has to tell them what is valid means of knowledge, what they have to trust. Then they will accept. Laukikam Vaidikam va. The pramanam can be Laukika or Vaidika. Laukika pramana, like newspaper, etc. That is why before writing book, they need some foreword by some authentic people. That is why they come. Someone has to write foreword. Then the book becomes authentic. Dayananda Swamiji wrote foreword. Then some people buy it and read. So, sayat pramanam kurute lokas tadanu vartate. Lokaha tad anuvartate. Tadeva pramani karoti ityartha. Tadeva pramani karoti means accepts it as pramana. Sambandha for the next mantra, next shloka. Yadi atra te लोकसंग्रह कर्तव्यतायां विप्रतिपत्तिः तर्हि मां किं न पश्यसि. यदि if अत्र लोकसंग्रह कर्तव्यतायां अत्र लोकसंग्रह कर्तव्यतायां about Lokasangraha Kartavyata, which is under discussion. Whether a jnani should perform Lokasangraha or not. Vipratipattihi. If you have Vipratipatti, if you have a disagreement, or if you have a doubt, Vipratipatti generally means a disagreement. Here it is lack of clarity. If you are not clear about it, if you have doubt about Lokasangraha, whether I should do Lokasangraha or not, then tarhi mam kim na pashyasi, then why don't you look at me? Bhagavan is citing himself as the example. You can look at me and learn. If you don't know who to look at. Already he told Janaka, etc. Janakadayaha. But then Arjuna thinks Janaka and others were ajnanis. What is the guarantee that they were jnanis? But about Krishna he cannot say that. Krishna is a jnani. Mam kim na pashyasi. Why don't you look at me and learn from me? Na me parthasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavaptamavaptavyam varta eva cha karmani. He Partha, O Partha, me trishu lokeshu kinchana kartavyam na asti. I don't have anything to be done in three lokas. Trishu lokeshu. In all three worlds, I don't have any kartavya. I am not obliged to do anything. I do not have any obligation to do anything. Kartavyam na asti. Bhagavan does not have any kartavya. Bhagavan does not have any obligatory action that he should perform. Why? Nanavaptam avaptavyam. Because Bhagavan does not have any anavaptam which is avaptavyam. Anavaptam means apraptam. Anything that he has not accomplished, he has not attained. Anavaptam, unaccomplished objective, which is avaptavyam, which should be attained. That kind of a thing does not exist. Therefore, no kartavya. Therefore, Bhagavan is not obliged to do any work. He does not have anything to accomplish. Being the Lord of everything, the whole universe is himself. All three worlds are nothing but Paramatma. Therefore, he doesn't have anything to accomplish. Yet, varta eva cha karmani. Karmani varte eva. Yet, I very much engage in action. Karmani varte. I engage myself in action despite not having any obligation to do anything. Name mama partha nasti न विद्यते कर्तव्यं त्रिष्वपि लोकेषु किंचन किंचिदपि कस्मात् न अनवाप्तम् अप्राप्तम् अवाप्तव्यम् प्रापणीयम् तथापि वर्ते एव च कर्मणि अहम न मे इज इक्वल टू मम मई मम कर्तव्यम न अस्ति मम कर्तव्यम मई कर्तव्य my obligation to do an action. Partha nasti. The na should be connected with asti. Na asti. Asti is equal to vidyate. Na vidyate. Does not exist. Kartavyam. Trishvapi lokeshu. In all three worlds. Kinchana is equal to kinchidapi. Kasmat. Why? Na anavaptam. Anavaptam is equal to apraptam. Anything that I have not attained. Avaptavyam is equal to prapaniyam. That which I should attain. And anavaptam, which is avaptavyam. That kind of a thing does not exist. Everything is aptam. Everything is prapta for Ishvara. Tathapi varte eva cha karmani aham. Tathapi, in spite of it. Aham karmani varte eva. I definitely engage in action. Yadi hyahanna varteya jatu karmanya tandritaha mama vartmanu vartante manushyaः partha sarvashah. So now Bhagavan explains what will happen if he does not engage in karma. Yadi hi aham na varteya jatu karmanya tandritaha. Yadi, if he aham jatu karmani jatu atandritaha karmani na varteya. Atandritaha, without laziness, tirelessly, without laziness, jatu, at any point of time, karmani na varteya, if I do not engage in action, if I stop working for a while, then what will happen? Mama vartmanu vartante manushyaः partha sarvashah. Manushyaha, the human beings, sarvashah, in all manner, mama vartma anuvartante. They will follow my path of not working. Bhagavan is not working. Therefore, let us also not work. they will think so. Krishna is not working, being the role model of so many people. Bhagavan is not working. Therefore, let us not work as well. The other people will think so. Yadi hi punaha aham na varteya jatu kadachit कर्मणि अतन्द्रितः अनलसः सन् मम श्रेष्ठस्य सतः वर्त्म मार्गम् अनुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः हे पार्थ सर्वशः सर्वप्रकारैः यदि he is punaha. Punaha indicates vailakshanya. Unlike, on the contrast, in the previous shloka, Bhagavan said, I do karma. So punaha means on the opposite, means if I don't do karma. Yadi aham na varteya jatu kadachit karmani atandritaha. Yadi, if aham, I, atandritaha is equal to analasaha san, without being lazy. Jatu kadachit, at any time, karmani na varteya, if I do not perform karma, if I do not engage myself in karma, then mama shreshthasya sataha vartma, mama shreshthasya sataha, one who is shrestha, great role model, Vartma is equal to Margam, my path, meaning non-performance of karma. Anuvartante, they will follow, they follow. Manushyaha, he Partha, Sarvashaha, means Sarvaprakaraihi. In all respects, people will follow my path. Krishna is not doing this, therefore we will not do this. Krishna is not doing that, therefore we will not do that. Everyone will follow Krishna. They will also give up all the karma that they are doing. They will give up their duty. They won't take care of their family. That is why Krishna had a very large family. Very big palace. To show the other people that you have to take care of your family. Keep everyone happy. So Krishna worked as a role model to the people. तथा च को दोषः इति आहा तथा च, if it is so, if everyone stop working, following Bhagavan, then what is the dosha? What is the problem in it? Aha, Bhagavan himself says, Utsideyurime lokaha न कुर्यां कर्म चेदहम् संकरस्य च कर्ता स्याम् उपहन्यामि माः प्रजाः। अहम कर्म न कुर्याम चेत, if I do not do karma, aham karma na kuryam chet, ime lokaha utsideyuhu, ime lokaha, all these lokaha, all these worlds, this world as well as the other worlds, utsideyuhu, they will collapse, they will break down, because nobody is doing karma. Without karma, there cannot be loka. Loka is karma phala. If everyone stops doing karma, then the loka itself cannot be sustained. So this loka is an effect of our karma. Both drishta and adrishta, mainly adrishta. When Ishvara creates the loka, he creates them according to the punya and the papa of all the beings who are going to be present. And it is sustained because of their karma. So when there is no karma, nobody is doing any punya, suppose. Nobody is performing yajna, nobody is performing puja, nobody is performing any dana, yajna, dana, tapas. Then what will happen? There is no candidate to go to Swarga. So they will dismantle Swarga, because no candidate. Nobody is qualified to go to Swarga. So Swarga will go. Similarly, this loka also will go, because even to be born as a human being, some amount of punya is needed. Even this loka will go. So, ime lokaha utsideyuhu. At least the upper lokas will have to shut down. Then only lower lokas will remain. Na kuryam karma chedaham. Sankarasya cha karta syam. And I will be responsible for Sankara. Sankara means Varnashrama Sankara. Varna Sankara and Ashrama Sankara. Varna Sankara means confusion in terms of Varna. Which Varna should do which duty? It is specified. And the society is sustained, the dharma in the society is sustained when a person belonging to a particular Varna performs his swadharma. Similarly, a person belonging to a given ashrama performs his swadharma. He understands what ashrama I belong to, and in keeping with my ashrama, what duty I should perform, one should know. When a person does not even know what varna, what ashrama I belong to, and what duty I should perform, there is a chaos, a disorder in the varnashrama vyavastha. It is called Varna Sankara and Ashrama Sankara. Varnashrama Sankara. There is a disorder in the Varnashrama Vyavastha. If nobody performs their dharma, nobody performs his dharma, then it will lead to Varna Sankara and Ashrama Sankara in due course of time. Therefore, Sankarasya cha kartasyam. I will be responsible for Sankara, confusion of dharma in the world. Upahanyamimah prajaha, and by causing Sankara, I will destroy all these people. Imaha prajaha upahanyam. I may destroy all these people. All the people will get destroyed, spoiled, spiritually spoiled, because they don't know what their dharma is. In one generation, they will follow Krishna. Krishna is not doing karma, therefore we won't do. Then the next generation, people don't know what karma they have to do, because their father, their previous generation are not performing karma. The next generation, they don't have even the education of dharma, because they don't have anyone to learn from. The parents are not doing karma, teachers are not doing karma. Where will the next generation get the karma from? That is how Varna Sankara comes into picture. They don't know what they are supposed to do. Then they get spoiled. The generations that come, that are going to come, are spiritually degraded. So, upahanyam imaf prajaha means it will lead to a spiritual degradation of the society. Imaha prajaha upahanyam. Utsideyuhu vinashyeyuhu ime sarve lokaha lokasthiti nimittasya karmanaha abhavat na kuryam karma chet aham. Utsideyuhu is equal to vinashyeyuhu. They will get destroyed. They will collapse. Ime sarve lokaha. All these lokas. Why? Lokasthiti nimittasya karmanaha abhavat. Because there won't be any karma to sustain the loka. Lokasthiti nimittasya karmanaha. The karma which is responsible for lokasthiti, sustenance of the lokas, it is no more there. Na kuryam karma chedaham. If I do not do karma, this will happen. Kincha sankarasya cha कर्ता स्याम् किंच मोरोवर संकरस्य च कर्ता स्याम् I will be responsible for sankara varnashrama sankara. Sankarasya karta means one who causes the sankara. Syam I will be. Tena karanena upahanyam imaf prajaha prajanam अनुग्रहाय प्रवृत्तः तदुपहतिं कुर्याम् इति मम ईश्वरस्य अननुरूपम् आपद्येत तेन कारणेन because of that reason, because of Sankara, upahanyam imaf prajaha, I will spoil all these people. Prajanam anugrahaya pravrittaha, I am supposed to perform the anugraha of the people. I am supposed to bless the people by guiding them in the direction of dharma. Prajanam anugrahaya pravrittaha, one who is engaged in anugraha, protection and blessing the prajas, people, sustenance on the people. Tad upahatim kuryam, but what will I end up in? Tad upahati, spoiling them, their spiritual degradation. Iti mama ishwarasya ananurupam apadyeta, this will be against the very idea of Ishvara, against the very image of Ishvara. Ishvarasya ananurupam, it won't befit Ishvara. Apadyeta, it will be so. Therefore, Bhagavan says, I perform karma not for my sake, but for guiding the people in the right direction, being a role model to the people, to perform their swadharma. Therefore, like me, looking at me, you should also perform karma for the sake of loka sangraha. Bhagavan is telling Arjuna, if you are a jnani, if you think you are a jnani, perform the karma for the sake of loka sangraha. So, the idea of loka sangraha continues in following shlokas also. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.